825 days on your holding. Fear and greed index is at 20%, which is extreme fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at the 37k area, still trading below the 40k resistance area, above the 30k support area, kind of and about the middle of this channel. 15 days left till the 3 months correction if you're gonna compare to the previous year correction. So yeah, let's move to the daily time frame. RSI on a daily time frame is currently looking oversold. MACD green phase, volume average on a weekly time frame. MACD finally having some curves to the upside. The first curve, which is pretty nice on the current red phase of MACD on a weekly time frame. RSI currently looking oversold on a weekly, volume above average on the previous weekly candle. On the monthly time frame, today we're gonna have a monthly close on the current candle. Also on the monthly time frame, volume above average, MACD starting red phase, RSI neutral. So here's pretty much all TA for today. 5200 MA on the daily is obviously above. And in general, daily is still in a downtrend channel. So let's move on to the dominance. BTC dominance currently 42.8%, slightly going up. We may see a breakout out of the 43% of dominance. And BNB and Ethereum is obviously kind of following the Bitcoin trajectory in the last couple of days. So that's pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on to the news. Today we got some pretty mixed news. First news are coming from IMF. IMF tells El Salvador costs of making Bitcoin legal tender exceed potential benefits. So IMF, which is International Monetary Fund, has told El Salvador that the cost of implementing the country's Bitcoin law, which makes the crypto legal tender, exceed the potential benefits. The IMF has also urged El Salvador to dissolve the Fight Bitcoin Trust Fund and start charging fees for service provided by the government Shivo digital wallet, which is the L2 solution for the Bitcoin. Also in the news, pop star Justin Bieber buys Bored Ape NFT for $1.3 million, pays more than 300% above the floor price. Also, other NFT news, clever NFT traders exploit crypto's unregulated landscape by wash trading on LooksRare. LooksRare aims to be an alternative to OpenSea, but the amount of wash trading on a platform raises the questions on whether users really view it as a viable competitor. Also, pretty big news that is coming from Cyberspace Administration of China. So apparently China pilots nationwide blockchain development over real-world use cases. So some of the key areas of blockchain development including manufacturing, energy, government data sharing and services, law enforcement, taxation, criminal trials, inspections, and cross-border finance. So that's a pretty big news. So that's pretty much all news and TA for today. Obviously hoping for a nice rebound from a current correction that we are having for the Bitcoin, and obviously to the